Math lesson number 2. Multiplying and dividing integers. Let's have like signs. The product and quotient of two non-zero integers with like signs are always positive. So let's have examples. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 2 and 3 are both positive. That's why the product is positive 6. On the other side, you have negative 2 times negative 3. Both are negative. The product is also positive. So as long as they have the same sign, the product is always positive. Same is true with the quotient. 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. Both 16 and 8 are positive. That's why the quotient is positive 2. Negative 16 divided by negative 8 is equal to positive 2. Both 16 and 8 are negative. That's why the quotient is positive. So 42 divided by 3 equals 14. Negative 42 divided by negative 3 is also 14. Next, we have unlike signs. The product and quotient of two non-zero integers with unlike signs are always negative. So in multiplying and dividing, we will always remember, or we need to remember, the sign. If they are unlike, if the signs are unlike, then the product and the quotient are negative. If they are like, the product and quotient are positive. So we have here negative 2 times 3 is equal to negative 6. Because negative 2 is negative and 3 is positive, they are unlike. That's why the answer, or the quotient, the product, is negative. So we have 2 times negative 3 equals negative 6. Because 2 is positive and 3 is negative, they are unlike. That's why the product is negative. So we have here negative 16 divided by 8 is equal to negative 2. Negative 16 is negative. 8 is positive. They are unlike. That's why the quotient is negative. That's it. Now let's have multiplication by 0. Any integer multiplied by 0 is 0. Simple as that. So negative 2 times 0 is 0. 0 times 7 is 0. And so on and so forth. Even 0 times 100,000 is equal to 0. Let's have division by 0. So 0 divided by any non-zero integer is 0. So we have 0 divided by negative 6 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 17 is equal to 0. Even 0 divided by negative 4 million is also 0. Let's have any non-zero integer divided by 0 is undefined. So you have 5 divided by 0, that's undefined. That's not 0. 17 divided by 0 is undefined also. Negative 29 divided by 0 is undefined. And so on and so forth. Now let's have 0 divided by 0 is indeterminate. So 0 divided by 0 is equal to indeterminate. So you cannot determine whether the value is 1, the value of 0, or the value is undefined. So it is indeterminate. So let's have an exercise. Perform the indicated operations on negative 11 times 6 divided by negative 1 times negative 3 times negative 18 divided by negative 9 times negative 125 divided by 5. So first, let's have negative 11 times 6. That is negative 66. Negative 1 times negative 3, that's positive 3. Negative 18 divided by negative 9, both are negative. The quotient is positive 2. Negative 125 divided by 5, unlike signs. the quotient is negative 5. So we have negative 66 divided by 3, unlike signs. Negative 22 is the quotient. And then we have 2 times negative 5, we have negative 10. Finally, negative 22 times negative 10 is equal to 220, positive, because negative 22 and negative 10 have the same sign.